Okay, I'm in Grand Forks, turned on the 41 South, heading for the U.S. border. Well, welcome to Washington State. As the Border Services guy told me, I'm not on the 395. That would have been the next one down, but he said the bikes like this one best. So he said it's only another 45 minutes. But I'm in Washington State, first time ever. So from here on out, folks, it's all new. Take my time, roam around, take the advice of people that I meet. I'd say I'm on the far eastern corner of Washington State, which I'm kind of glad that I did get in, because if I had gone over and went into Idaho, then I would have said, well, I've never been to Washington State. Pretty nice road. I'm on State Road 21 heading south. Washington. Haven't had a look at the map, so I really don't kind of know where I'm aiming. Just know that I'm heading south. I come off of the 20. The 20 was going east-west, so I figured I'd get more south. Might catch a little bit of Oregon. Somebody walking over there. I was told you have to watch, the sign says rocks, you have to watch for the rocks rolling down here along this gorge.